Stop by and take a look at the 2011 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.